I'll kiss your mouth and swallow you whole. Been holding my claim like an old 49er, wayward and skinny, for dust in the room from that holy water coming down. Out of our way now, we're going for gold. Been holding our claim just like old 49ers. Out of the city and into this room from that holy water coming down on you and me. Water coming down. Wayward and skinny, from dust in the womb, from that holy water coming down. Holy water coming down. Cause I've been drinking from the flood. Out when no one gets enough. I should have known right from the start. This is the aching we've been hearing of. So yes, I'm gonna lay it down.